Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to create a dashboard. So on the upper left area of monitoring we have the dashboard visualization page, but to create a dashboard we have to go into the configuration group. Here we click on setup dashboard. So you can see I have a few here already created. We go here on the top, hit the button create dashboard. We give it a name. And just some description. Save it. And we see in the bottom, that's the dashboard we created. We click on it, and now we can add the charts. We click the button, and now we choose the charts we want to add. Let's say, for example, a line chart, and we call temperature. And we hit add. Quickly, the chart is created, and now we click on the chart. And on the right hand side, we have the menu for the details. So we call it temperature. You can customize a time range or just say for the last 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Now we add the dimension. We have to tell where the temperature is coming from. We add a dimension. We say this is office 1 temperature. We choose a color for the trend. And now we have to select the device. This is the list of devices that we have connected into our Capstone server. And I see here, I have, for example, this one here, which is in my office. I choose it and confirm it. We have here the select device. Now I go to properties and choose the temperature. Here it is. And give a range, let's say 15 to 30. We can add other dimensions. If we just want that one dimension, we now hit save. And then here we have the chart. We can expand it. Important is after you concluded this, save the dashboard. We click save. And now on the upper left, if I go on the monitoring dashboard page, I choose the dashboard I just created, tutorial dashboard. And here I have the chart. And if I click on the chart, it is possible to zoom in the values or zoom out. And if I hold on the curve, I see the specific value on that point. Please keep in mind that on the monitoring side, changes to the dashboard are not possible. You always have to go back to the configuration page. You choose the dashboard, you click on it, and here you can make the changes as you wish. Very good. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you on the next one.